My school name is Government Model High School. I want to welcome respected headmaster, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Today I am representing myself as the great Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa is known all around the world for great humanitarian. She is known in India, but she spent her entire life serving the people of India. She is the inspiration to the world effort. She is the world effort mixed with humanity, kindness and generosity. Thank you to all.